The potentially game-changing Kizilelma unmanned fighter aircraft has taken to the skies for its inaugural flight. Kizilelma is planned to make a difference on the battlefield, especially with its landing and takeoff capability on ships with short runways. Turkish-based Baykar company released footage from the successful first test flight for the highly ambitious Kızılelma drone. Kızılelma will be able to carry 1,500 kilograms of payload weapons and devices. Its flight range is 930 kilometers, while the operating altitude was declared as 10,668 meters. Our 20-year dream in our national drone adventure has come true today, said Baykar's chief technical official.